Today we're excited to introduce you to the Rabbit Hutch indoor rabbit cage with metal wire pan, a versatile and spacious home for your small pets. This hutch features a metal wire netting above the pull-out tray, ensuring your pets stay dry and comfortable while you clean, thanks to the deeper plastic tray that prevents leaks. With easy assembly and pre-drilled holes, setting up this hutch is a breeze, and it even includes a rabbit chewing toy and a large front wooden feeder for added convenience. The large open asphalt roof makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, while two front access doors allow you to easily catch your rabbits and clean the house from any direction. Measuring 35.8 inches long, 18.1 inches wide, and 28 inches high, this hutch provides the perfect space for small bunnies, guinea pigs, lizards, hedgehogs, and other small animals. Please note that the package includes one wooden hutch and does not come with additional decorations. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.